Hi, my name is Martin Hoxie. I'm a Google Developer Expert at Diamond Google Cloud Partner Devo Team. In this video, I'm going to show you how, in a few steps, you can make your own AI agent in Gemini Enterprise. Right now, businesses struggle with information overload and keeping up with market trends. With Gemini Enterprise, you can solve this with no-code multi-agent systems. In this example, I'll show you how you can create a multi-agent system that automates market research and helps with data-driven decision-making. Let the demo begin. So here we are in our Gemini Enterprise instance. So what we're going to do is we're going to create an agent. So let's just navigate to our agents. So here you can see the agents that have been pre-made by Google, coded agents that have been created in our business and distributed to the organization. And then you've got your own agents just below here as well. But what we're going to do is just start a new agent, and we can just give it a prompt. We can ask this agent to be created for us. So the scenario we've got here is we're pretending to be a coffee distributor. So we want to pull in information, latest information that might impact in terms of our deliveries or distributions, and so could be quite a time-intensive task to do. But the key thing here is we also want to combine it with our enterprise data as well and do something actionable from it. So I'm just going to send this prompt off. So you can obviously use Gemini Enterprise to actually refine this prompt. So you can have a conversation, share your ideas, do a bit of brainstorming, work it out how best to phrase what it is that you exactly want to do. And here we go. So we've got our monitor, our coffee supply agent. So we get a preview of our agent on the screen here, but we can also go in and adjust this agent. So hopefully you can see here, we've got this multiple agent set up, automatically created for us based on our prompt. So we've got something that's able to generate reports. We've actually got a dedicated agent that can go off and search the web. And we've got another agent here as well that can integrate with it in our Gmail and use that data. So it's something just to highlight. So you're not restricted just to creating agents that can go off and search the web. You've got this ability to integrate your agents with your enterprise data. So depending what you've got set up in Gemini Enterprise as a connector, you've got the ability to incorporate that data into your agents. So let's just have a look at our orchestrator agent very quickly. So here you can see this is where it's got its set of instructions. So it knows how to use these sub-agents and when to use them as well. Something else that we can do is you can adjust the connectors that you're accessing. So in this particular case, I'm going to stick with Google Search, but you might have specific knowledge that you want to add to your agent as well. So in this particular case, I'm just going to add a file. So again, you've got this ability to connect to your enterprise data, but in this case, for this demo, I'm just going to upload a CSV of our suppliers with the country of origin in those as well. So I'm happy with this agent for now. So we can just click on create, and we can start a chat with this agent. So we've got some of these pre-prepared prompts that we can use. So let's just try this one where it's just asking recent news stories. So you may have seen in that initial prompt that I gave Gemini Enterprise when it was creating this agent, that time was a really sensitive, it was a really critical aspect of this. So only go and search recent information. So to make the response that it gives us back relevant to what our aims and goals are. So you can see here, as it's going through this process, the kind of main agent is deciding what to do next, which of these sub-agents to call upon with their specialist expertise to do something for us. So it's analyzed our supplier list, and from that, it's actually given us quite an interesting set of information. So I'm running this live and seeing what's coming back here. So it's got some interesting information related to Brazil, because that was, in terms of our suppliers, this was one of the countries that was particularly relevant for us. So it's got some really interesting information there in terms of, I didn't realize that there was projections into 2050, but it's pulling that back for us. So one last thing to show you with your agents is if we go into our agents, is as well as creating these agents for yourself, you've got the ability to share those with your colleagues. So within your department or your team, you've got the ability to share these little specialists around your business. So hopefully that's been useful in seeing how you set up agents using the UI builder in Gemini Enterprise. Are you ready to start building your own AI agents in Gemini Enterprise? Start your agentic AI transformation with Devo Team, the leading Gemini Enterprise partner.